Now what I want to make in my second level is this big flaming sun chasing after me, and the whole point of it is if it catches me, then I'm gonna die. I just got out of the way, but if it does catch up to me, so I have to, the point is for me to outrun it. If it does catch up to me, I lose all my lives, and then I have to restart. So, how are we going to make that? Well, first of all, we make sure that we have a sun, and you might want it to be in front of everything, or you might want it to be behind things, up to you. Just make sure you put it in the appropriate layer. I've made a foreground layer behind my UI, but in front of everything else, and that's the layer I'm going to put my big sun in. So I've got that in there, and then I want to add a script to it, and we want to think about how it's going to behave. Number one is it needs to always be advancing, and I also want to disable its physics so it's not going to push anything out of the way. So when it's created, it will disable its physics, so physics enabled to false. And to make it always advance, I'm just going to increase its X position by 1 every frame. So I'll say constantly set X position of myself to X position plus 1. And let's test that out real quick. I'll call this the sun. And there we go, that's how it advances. If you want it to move a bit faster, you might want to try +2. A bit slower, maybe +0.5. But I think 1 is fine.